Hello guys, welcome back to this Excel video tutorial. This is the first video tutorial on Excel that I'm going to record for you. This Excel tutorial is for beginner. This is a beginner guide where I will explain what are the basic structure of Excel, what are the things available in the Excel screen, and how we start to work on Excel. I know anyone who opens the Excel for the first time he will be definitely overwhelmed by seeing different types of things available on the screen. But it's okay, and we can learn everything and know everything what is available in the Excel software. Whenever we open the Excel, at the very top, you can see various names are given like file, home, insert, draw, page layout, formula, data, review, view, automation, developer, and help. This entire names is called menu bar. Here, these are called menu, and below that is the ribbon. Every menu has different type of ribbon available, and inside the ribbon, we have different types of tools available that we use during our work in Excel. Suppose I click on this home button. I see here paste, here bold, here we can align our text. Suppose I click on this layout menu. I get different types of tools like margin, orientation, size of page, and so on. So this ribbon contains various types of tools which we use during our work in Excel. This home contains different types of ribbons. Whenever we go and if we go below, we see here a small input box where we find the name of cell. These small rectangular box are called cell in the Excel, and what name each cell has is given here. This input box contains the name of the cell. After that, this is the formula bar where we can see the contents available inside a cell or the formula that has been stored in a cell. Why we use formula in the cell? Say formula is used to do calculations. Some mathematical, logical calculation are done in Excel with the help of formula. That can be done using the equal button. Whenever we want to start a formula or restore a formula in a cell, we have to start with the equal button. Whenever give a equal button at the beginning of the cell, it starts to understand that it is the formula. Suppose I press equal button, then I type 10, then I type press plus button, then I type 35. And as soon as I press the enter button, it adds these two number. So this is the way mathematical conversion is done in the formula, in the Excel, sorry. Whenever after the formula bar, after this formula bar, I can see the columns are given. These columns are in alphabetical order, A, B, C, D, like this. And then in the left corner, you can see numerical numbers are given for each row. These are in numerical order. So if I click on this cell, you can see here name is E2. It means column number 2, row number 2. So the conjuncture. The place where these two intersect is called the name of the cell. So the column number two, row number two. Column number E, row number two. So this is why it is E2. This is the basic thing. If I want to type anything in Excel, I will have to select a cell and then I will start typing anything in that cell. Whatever I type, that data will be stored in the cell. So let's see how we work in the how we store the data in the Excel after typing some sample data. Suppose like name, age, class. Like name is Maria, Rita, Jimmy, Sony. These are the names. Like age 25, 24, 34, 56, 29. These are the age. Like class 10th, graduate, PhD, postgraduate. So I have saved some sample data in the Excel sheet. For moving my cursor from left to right, I will always press tab button and then I will keep typing and store the data. Suppose I have to go below, I will type enter. It will take the cursor to the down. In this way, we can type and store data in the Excel. Speaking honestly and frankly, there are thousands of calculations, logic, and informations and functionalities available in the Excel that we cannot learn in a single class. It will take a step-by-step process to master these tools. But for today, as it is a beginner guide, we have just understood the basic structure, how we can use the action, how we can type things in different cells. Now, I'm going to explain how we can store data or save data in Excel. Suppose I have typed this information. I want to keep it somewhere in the computer on a laptop for future use. So what I will do to store the data, I will click on File, then I will go in this Save As. I will I will type the name like my first Excel data. I will press the Save button, and this way you can see at the top the name of the file is given. What we have saved. You can see that also in the desktop, and whenever we can see that also in the desktop, here in the desktop you can see my first data. If you click on this, it will get opened. So in this way we can save the data. We can also retrieve the data and we can make addition, deletion, whatever we want. This entire shell cells is collectively called sheet or a spreadsheet in Excel. We can add more sheet in Excel by clicking in the plus button in the below, like sheet 3. If I want more sheet, I can click plus button, it will be sheet 4. I can change the name of sheet also. Like I want to click and type it like class 10 report. So this will be a separate sheet where I can store different data and so on. So this was the basic functionality or basic beginner guide for Excel. In the this is this is enough for this class, beginner class. In more days, I will be recording more classes explaining different kinds of functions, features, formulas of Excel that will be helpful to you to become a pro in Excel. Thank you for watching and giving your valuable time.